Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. It's Kim with Kim's Inspired Life. Guys, today I'm here to show you the journal I've made for the hashtag Let's Use Paper Bags Open Collab, hosted by Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming and Susan from Hiles Art. And of course I'm late, guys, since I've been out this week, but I want to show you this. So the first week in the hashtag Let Us Use Paper Bag Collab, we were supposed to decorate or make a bag, and that's what I did right here. It was February, so I was in the mood for love and hearts and all of that, so I just made this bag. For week number 2, we were supposed to make a bag with a matching tag. So I love this little purse bag I made, and then when you open it up, there's a little tag that I put right there. So still keeping with the Valentine's theme. Well, now we're on week 3, the final week of the collab, and we were asked to make a bag journal. Guys, I've never made a junk journal before. This is my very first one, and actually I made this for a friend. Tammy, My World in OKC, had in February a birthday big cash giveaway. And I'm late for the challenge giveaway, but I'm still sending this to Tammy. So I want to share it with you. I'm going to go through it pretty quickly and definitely give me your honest opinion. So the first thing is this really fun trim that I'm closing it up with. I bought in a D-stash on Melody Maid's channel. Oh my gosh, guys, look at this. Isn't this so fun? The bag I used, obviously, is a Starbucks bag. So I just cut apart a cracker box, I think it was, or macaroni and cheese. I don't remember what it was, and I just used that. And then I Mod Podged on the cover and put this and just printed this out. Good coffee is a pleasure. Good friends are a treasure. And so here we go, guys. I'm going to go through it really quickly. Everything that you're going to see in this journal just came out of my craft room. I didn't buy anything new. Everything was just already here, found objects. And so I just used these to put Tammy's initials right there. Some die cuts here. Added these little tabs right here. Thought that was fun. And then the idea is, I understand, junk journal, right, is to leave some open spaces, actual journaling, and then maybe adding in some little items that can be journaled upon. So that's what I try to do there. And some open spaces. I used this paper bag that I think I got from Hallmark. Oh yeah, I got it from Hallmark. So put that in there with some scrap paper, some different stickers that I had in my stash. And then in a junk journal, I understand there needs to be some pockets so that we can stick some goodies in, or the person that's using it can put some goodies in. I didn't make these 2 little embellishments. Those were actually gifted to me. Added those for her. Added a little glassine bag for her to maybe stick some little treasures in. Some open space with a little pocket here. Some little policy envelopes there in case she wants to take those out and use them in her journal as well. Some white open spaces. Added a little corner punch right here. And then some empty spaces. Here's a bag that I added here. I left that open in case she wants to add some things there. Used my stapler to staple on just this little card here. An open space here. A smaller embellishment here with another little tag. Some little cards on that, on some accounting paper that she can use that and then take those off. There's a little butterfly paper clip there. Some open space here, more open space on the back of this envelope. This envelope, I did put a couple little goodies in there for her. And then use this little butterfly fabric trim, open spaces, and then a pocket with some other little goodies in there. I already had this made, and there was a nice blank spot there, so I just put that on there, but I didn't glue it on, just on the edge, so she can flip that over and write underneath it if she'd like. And then another little envelope with some space here, little button there. I wanted to incorporate envelopes somehow into the journal, and so I just went ahead, added a piece of paper here, and then just glued on the envelopes. Here is a card that I made for her in there, and then some cut aparts that I fussy cut in there. And this is how I have the spine of the junk journal. I just went ahead and used a needle and put this yarn in, and was able to run that through to close it up. And then another little piece. This was actually gifted to me, so I just stuck that on there. Left some open spot here. This trim, I really like this pretty trim. It's long like that. So I just went ahead and folded it over to the next page like that. Another little pocket here with some little tags. Little receipt here. So you can always lift that up and write on both sides. Here's some paper. Put a little embellishment on that page. This is actually a white bag. And then left that spot open. This was actually gifted to me in some happy mail. Just stuck that on there for her. And then the accounting paper with a little hashtag up there. And here's a little spot, open spot. Stapled on this card here onto this bag, which is open. Some more copy paper here with just a paper stapled on there. Open paper. Little pocket here, some open space here. Envelope. A couple pieces of a couple cut aparts here, but then they flip open for space to write. The other side of that paper bag, and then I just went ahead and put in a few little cards there. That spot's open. Paper that's open here with the edge cut. And then just use this clip right here with a doily and a couple of cut aparts there. An open space. Envelope with some little embellishments in there. This is open. And then just some little things I'm gifting her with right there. Oh my gosh, guys. And I haven't put my name or anything. I'll put, you know, that over here in the back. But that's it. Hashtag let's use paper bags. My first junk journal made with a Starbucks bag. So I want to thank Sherry at Turquoise Dreaming and Susan from Hiles Art for giving me the inspiration and the motivation and the push to actually make a journal. I'm pretty excited about it. And I'm excited to send it to Tammy, and I want to thank Judy at my scrapbook loft for looking at my project before I shared it with you guys so that she could give me some pointers on some different things that I could possibly add to my journal to make it a little more appealing. So thank you, Judy. And thank you guys for stopping by. Leave me a comment below. Let me know what you think, and I will talk to you again soon. Bye-bye.